Diamond Dotz On Demand is a new product from Diamond Dotz. And essentially, you upload a photo, they transform it into a custom one-of-a-kind diamond dots in the size of your choosing. This is about a 15.5-inch square. And this is a photo of my dogs, Scrappy and Bandit. And I can tell you the end design is amazing and really went above and beyond my expectations for what this might look like. So the way this works, when it comes to you, it's turned into a pattern. So you're going to get the roll you see there is the fabric itself. You're going to get all of the diamond dots that you need, and they're very generous with the quantities. You're also going to get the little tool that you need and the wax type stuff that you put on the tool to make the diamond dots stick. So as you can see, there's lots of different colors, and there is a chart on either side to help remind you the color name and the symbol, the color number and the symbol. And to get started, you're going to just dip your tool into the wax. You're not trying to make a big hunk of wax there. And when it's new, it does try to follow you out. I'm just showing you what you're trying to do is there's just going to be a little bit of wax inside that tip. You don't want it poking out like that. You just want a little bit in there. You can always smear it off inside there if it's too much. Essentially, all the purpose of that is so that your diamond dots are going to stick to the tools so that you can place them carefully on those dots. As you can see, there are thousands and thousands of little dots to be filled. This was a lot of fun, and the way it works, as I said before, you pick out, there is the number and the symbol so that you know which color coordinates to which symbol on the painting there. My daughter Rebecca, who is 12, and I both worked on this together over a number of weeks. We just used a little bit of washi tape to seal up open containers because the way that we work on these, the way that it works best for us is start in a corner or on an edge and work inward because you don't want your hand to get stuck on that material. It is super sticky. It holds the diamond dots down really well. Here you can see Rebecca getting us started here. And it's just so much fun. Every day we would work a little bit and pick a color within the section we were working on and fill in the dots and, have a little conversation as we went. And it was really interesting to watch how you would think, oh, this doesn't look right. This isn't going to look right. And then when we were done, it absolutely did work right. It's just that your eyes, sometimes my eye would think, oh, I don't know. Is this the right color to go here? Yes, it would be. And we just kind of worked to fill in the edges. You'll notice there is a clear plastic sheet over the top of this. That keeps it safe because that is a super sticky adhesive sheet. You don't ever want to leave that exposed. You want to leave, and you can see we're working on top of that clear sheet, leaving our stuff on top of it. And as you can see there, we just have it folded back just enough to work. And that's just really important so that you don't accidentally get stuff stuck to it. Really easy to do, guys, and honestly, really fun and kind of almost a meditative thing to just go in and you pick a color and you put a couple of little dots down, as you can see in the little tray there. You can give it a shake a couple times sometimes if the little dots aren't coming out the way that you want them. But you just go through, you pick your color, you pick up your dots, you put them in place depending on where you're working, and repeat. So this is, as I said before, about 15.5 inches wide as well as high. So it's a square. And this took us about 3 weeks, not working on it hardcore, and it was over the holidays, but just doing a little bit each day and filling it up bit by bit. It was a really fun project, and honestly, I would really recommend it. I think it's so much fun, and just look how cool that is. I'm actually hanging this, for now, it's hanging in the studio. You absolutely can frame these. I have a different one up in the hallway that's framed, and you can see the quality of that sparkle. And because they give you extras, you don't have to worry about if you lose a couple, or if there's one that's, not perfect or something. They give you plenty of extras, and I just absolutely love that. So I'm so glad I got to do this, and I'm happy to have shared it here with you.